Hey, what's up car lovers, and welcome back to Car Trend, your ultimate destination for everything automotive. Today we're diving into one of the most iconic names in American automotive history, the Chevrolet Bel Air, reborn for 2026. This car is more than just a throwback, it's a perfect fusion of vintage charm and modern innovation, and it's sending waves through the automotive world. The Bel Air has always been synonymous with elegance, style, and the spirit of the open road, and now it's been reimagined for a new generation while staying true to its heritage. The 2026 Chevrolet Bel Air brings back that unmistakable silhouette, with design cues that pay homage to the legendary 1950s models. The sleek chrome accents, sharp body lines, and a bold grille take you straight back to the golden era of cruising down Main Street. But don't let the retro styling fool you, this isn't just about nostalgia. Chevrolet has equipped the Bel Air with advanced engineering, modern aerodynamics, and cutting-edge safety features that make it a serious contender in today's market. It's a time machine and a futuristic machine all in one. Under the hood, the Bel Air 2026 offers a variety of powertrain options to meet different driving preferences. From an efficient turbocharged engine that balances performance with fuel economy, to a thrilling V8 option that delivers the rumble muscle car fans crave, Chevrolet has ensured this model has something for everyone. There's also speculation about a hybrid or fully electric version being in development, aligning with the industry's move toward sustainable driving. Imagine the classic Bel Air cruising silently down the road while delivering instant torque. It's the perfect blend of tradition and technology. Inside, the 2026 Bel Air redefines comfort and luxury. Step in, and you're greeted with a cabin that skillfully merges retro inspiration with modern craftsmanship. Think premium leather seats with classic stitching patterns, digital displays framed in chrome, and ambient lighting that creates a sophisticated vibe. The infotainment system includes all the latest tech: Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charging, and an advanced navigation system. It's a car that understands modern drivers while tipping its hat to its roots. Driving the Bel Air 2026 is an experience in itself. Thanks to an upgraded suspension system, improved steering, and advanced driver assist technologies, it handles like a dream whether you're cruising the highway or navigating city streets. Add in adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and a top-tier braking system, and you've got a car that feels just as safe as it does stylish. Chevrolet has truly gone above and beyond to ensure the Bel Air isn't just about looks, it's about substance too. What makes this car so special is how it connects generations. For older enthusiasts, it's a nostalgic return to a beloved icon. For younger drivers, it's a chance to experience a piece of history updated for today's roads. The Bel Air 2026 isn't just another car release, it's a celebration of American culture, design, and the joy of driving. Whether you're a collector, a casual car fan, or just someone who loves the mix of old-school vibes with modern flair, this Chevy is guaranteed to capture your heart. So, what do you think about the 2026 Chevrolet Bel Air? Has Chevy nailed the perfect revival of a classic, or do you prefer the original untouched? Drop your thoughts in the comments below because we'd love to hear your take. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most exciting revivals of the decade, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to Car Trend, and hit the bell so you never miss an update on the latest and greatest rides. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep the engines roaring and the passion for cars alive. Oncoming Car Fire.